Hello friends, welcome to Medora classes. Today we'll see the important questions of anatomy. ये क्वेश्चंस राजीव गांधी रिपीटेड पूछा जाता है, ठीक है। 10 important questions of 10 marks individual chapters. First, skeleton system. Describe and structure the function of bones. Second questions, explain the classifications joints with example. Describe the vertebral column with the diagram. Okay, next question is explain the bones of the skull. And another unit, musculoskeletal system, describe the types and muscles with functions. If you want this question answer, I will share. Okay, describe the mechanism of contractions, write about the muscles of respirations. In cardiovascular systems, describe the structure of hearts, explain the conduct systems of the heart, and describe the blood supply of the heart. In the respiratory system, describe the organs of the respiratory systems, explain the structure of lungs, describe the mechanism of breathing, write about alveoli and gas exchange. If they are asking in respiratory system questions, you mentions the alveoli structure. Okay. In digestive system, describe the digestive system with diagram. In anatomy, every diagram is important. You have to draw it. Okay. Describe the liver and its functions. Liver का diagram भी important है. Then write about the pancreas. And in nervous system, describe the structure of neurons. In nervous system, you have to draw neurons structure. If they will ask questions. In cerebrum, brain, and spinal cord brain structure, you have to mention it. Okay? If they are asking about the brain question, structure of brain, yeah, function of brain. In function of there will in physiology no need to draw, but in anatomy you have to draw nervous system diagram. Okay. Then urinary system, describe the structure of kidney. एनाटोमी में आपको स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करना ही पड़ेगा. देन नेफ्रॉन डायग्राम्स भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसके बाद रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में दो इंपॉर्टेंट है, मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम एंड फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. अगर आपको इस क्वेश्चंस का अगर आंसर चाहिए तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको इसको मेंशन कर दूंगा, इसलिए आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. ठीक है. ओके, थैंक्स, बाय.